In the Subaru, the daytime running lights use the same bulb as the high beams. Subaru DRLs only glow in a drive during the day with engine on. First step is to take this air intake off. You take the screwdriver here and you turn it 1/4 turn. Notice how it raises up. See how that works? And then you can get your screwdriver under, raise it up a little more, and the whole thing comes out. Now these notches and bumps are different sizes, so it only goes in one way. Plastic connectors can be the worst part of auto repair. You push down right here and it lifts up a tab on that triangle thing like this. Now one of the secrets is to push these two together first and then push up, and then you wiggle and pull. Now that's the tab it hooks on right there, and you can see inside where it slides into. Now sometimes this little thumb piece gets broken off, in which case you've got to slide a pocket screwdriver in to release it. Here's the old bulb. You can see it's bulged out, obviously bad. HB39005 2-pin connector. Here's what we're going to replace it with. I got this at Princess Auto. Grease from your fingers can get on the glass and shorten the life of the bulb, so wear gloves. The dealer's manual says not to use any bulb rated greater than 65 watts. And there you are.